Login failed on current banking app fix. You open the current app to check your balance, but instead of loading your account, you're met with login failed. Most users think their account has been locked, but here's the truth: it's usually something much simpler. Let's walk through how to fix it fast. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Current relies on a secure, stable network to verify your login. If you're using public Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or a trusted home network. Next, open Current's website and attempt to log in there. If it doesn't work, your password might need resetting. Tap Forgot Password and follow the steps to set a new one. If your credentials are fine, check your app version. Go to the App Store or Google Play and make sure Current is fully updated. Many login problems occur when the app version is out of sync with the server's security protocols. If you're still stuck, clear the app's cache or reinstall it. This removes corrupted temporary data that might be blocking authentication. Restart your phone and try again. Another common cause is of VPN or proxy usage. Current security system might detect unusual IPs as suspicious. Disable any VPN or location masking software before signing in. If none of that works, it might just be a temporary outage or maintenance period. These usually resolve within a few hours. So next time you get a login failed on Current, don't stress. Check your connection, update the app, and clear your cache. Within minutes, you'll be back to tracking your transactions, spending insights, and rewards without any issues.